Hi, I am Abhinav Jain, CEO and founder of Expertomind. At Expertomind, we make some amazing high quality products. And in this video, I'm going to talk about our new Expertomind SitCorrect back posture corrector. Do you know that our body is not designed to sit for long hours? On an average, we sit 8 hours a day, and it causes lot of pressure and discomfort in our tailbone and backbone. And in the end, we start feeling pain. But with Expertomind SitCorrect, you can sit for long hours and still feel no pressure and discomfort in your tailbone and backbone. Let me show you how. For demonstration, we are using hard chair. But you can use posture corrector on hard surface as well as soft surface, like in car, on sofa, on chair or on floor. First step, take the posture corrector, put it on top of chair, keeping the handle side in front. Next, simply sit on top of your posture corrector. Now, make sure that posture corrector is all the way underneath you. If there is space between your tailbone and posture corrector, then you are not sitting correctly on posture corrector. If you are sitting on posture corrector properly, then you will notice there is space between you and your seat. Put your hand underneath and you will know exactly what I mean. And finally, see the difference when I remove posture corrector. You will see the space between you and chair is gone. Your pelvis is going backward. Your spine is in C shape. And your body weight is putting pressure on your backbone and tailbone. This is how most of us sit. This is sitting without posture corrector. For the first time, when you will sit on posture corrector, your pelvis will be free and your body posture will start correcting, and slowly coccyx, tailbone and backbone pain will go away naturally. You can buy Expertomind SitCorrect back posture corrector for Rs 699. To order, visit Amazon.in and search for Expertomind brand and order Expertomind SitCorrect back posture corrector.